Hello friends, my name is Lokhande and today we are starting our Python course and we will learn how the print function is work, and we are using the online Python compiler so everyone can practice it. After some days we will also learn how we can download Python IDE. So let's see which Python compiler we will use. You can use any Python compiler, just type online Python compiler and here you will see all the options to use Python compilers. So I am going to use program is Python compiler. So today we are going to learn how the print function is work. It's an inbuilt function can use to print out the desired output, like we can say word, sentence, number in the debug console or shell. So here you can just type print. Here you can type. Here you can use print function, and inside this you can use to print out the statement. You can use double quote or single quote. So inside that you can uh, type anything like and after clicking on the run you will see the same output we are giving. It is printing in the shell. You can give anything like numbers. So for numbers you don't have to put double quotes. It's because it's a different data type. We can learn data type in upcoming days. Likewise this, you can also use double quote for integers, like then its data type is changed. So here, thanks for watching today. We learned how to use print function, and thanks for watching.